You can smell it already, can't you? The weird mix of caffeine, chaos, and of course, capitalism. Black Friday is coming, and soon inboxes everywhere will be glowing like Christmas trees on fire. Every brand will be shouting, and every customer, on the other hand, will be scrolling endless. Naturally, every sales team will be sprinting to keep it up. But here's the truth. In 2025, the brands that win won't be the ones screaming the loudest. They'll be the ones using a secret weapon nobody's been talking about so far. Hello my caffeine addicts, my name is Lucas and this is anybiz.io YouTube channel. I welcome you in this video and in this channel because today I'm going to be showing you how businesses are changing the game of this year's Black Friday. And not with bigger discounts or crazy ads, but instead with something faster, smarter, and way more consistent than any human can be. Because let me just say it, the clock is ticking louder at the minute. But before we reveal what this secret weapon actually is, don't forget to like and subscribe right now, because what you're gonna learn today can literally rewrite your whole Black Friday's playbook. And trust me, when Black Friday hits, you want to have your notifications turned on. Let's be honest, Black Friday isn't a sales event. It's a full-blown battlefield. Thousands of businesses fighting for the same attention span that is shorter than a TikTok. Your team's juggling leads, blasting follow-ups, and drowning in spreadsheets, while competitors are already closing deals. And in 2025, this volume is only going up. Data shows that online sales grow by billions every single Black Friday. More competition, more noise, and more pressure to reply faster than any human can possibly do. See, that's the problem. Humanly impossible, because your sales team still needs to eat, sleep, and maybe call their families. Without superpowers, they can be there 24/7. Alright, the secret weapon we talked about earlier, right? It's not luck and it's definitely not discounts. Not even the aforementioned superpowers. It's AI sales agents. The new generation of sales automation that's completely reshaping and changing the way that businesses handle Black Fridays. AI does not clock out. It doesn't tire and it never misses a lead. So while your team is still typing, hey, just to follow up, AI sales agents are already booking the meeting, qualifying the lead, and keeping the conversation going. So what exactly is an AI sales agent, right? Think of it as your top salesperson, only cloned as a software. A version of your best rep that works 24/7, speaks naturally, and doesn't complain about Mondays. It reads your prospects' messages, understands intent, writes personalized replies, and can even schedule calls automatically. No templates, no spammy scripts, just intelligent human-like conversations, powered by real data. It's like having a whole Black Friday army, one that's fast, polite, and permanently caffeined. And here's where anybiz.io changes the game. With Anybiz, you don't need a tech degree or $1 million sales team. You just plug in your product, your target audience, and your AI sales agent gets to work, prospecting, engaging, and converting around the clock. It's just the kind of efficiency that turns chaos into opportunities. Because during Black Friday, every second you save is not just time, it's money in your pockets. Imagine your AI sales agent following up with thousands of leads, while your team focuses on strategy and deals that really matter. Well, that's what 2025 sales efficiency looks like. Here's the thing, AI sales agents aren't the future anymore. They are already here. The real question is, will you be using them or will you be competing with those who do? Because by 2025, the businesses that actually learn how to work with AI won't just be faster, they will become untouchable. Companies adopting AI this Black Friday will be building experience, data, and the momentum to dominate next year. And if you wait another season, well, it will be like showing up to Formula 1 with a bicycle. The truth is, the playing field is changing, and fast. Speed, personalization, and automations are not just nice-to-haves anymore. They are survival tools. And AI sales agents are driving the transformation. So yeah, Black Friday will always be hectic. But in 2025, it won't be anymore about who sends the most emails or runs the biggest paid campaigns. It will be about who has the smartest team, human or not. Want to see what an AI sales agent can do for your business before the whole madness Black Friday thing begins? Head to anybase.io today and book a demo. Let the AI handle the outreach, the follow-ups, and the busy work, so you can focus on strategy, creativity, and actually breathing this Black Friday. So here's the bottom line. Black Friday isn't about who screamed the loudest. It's about who acted the smartest. And the smartest move you can do right now, getting your AI sales agents ready before the storm hits. Because when everybody else will be chasing leads desperately, you'll be closing them in your sleep. That will do for today. Thanks so much for watching so far. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and send this video to that person you know that thinks AI is just a nice extra or nice to have thing. Because let's be honest, in 2025, it's not an extra, it's essential. This is anybase.io, helping businesses scale smarter, faster, and cooler. One AI sales agent at a time. Bye.